All right, bro. We made it. What you think? We're in a new location this afternoon, but look at this field. Yes, that's a deer feeder in front of us. What you think? You're already drinking.
Because you're gonna go pee, don't drink too much.
Don't drink too much. Oh my goodness. Alright, we're settled in. We're gonna sit back and see if we can't have a deer or two come out. What you think?
This is a good spot.
We never know. We're gonna do our best tonight. We're gonna try to sit still. We're gonna try to ignore him because he's crazy. Alright, here we go. Last evening, what is it? January
16th.
What?
No.
It's January the 14th. Today is January the 14th. So, Sunday, January 14th. We're gonna give it everything we got. Have you seen any deer yet?
No.
No. What are your thoughts?
The deer are about to come out. Kason, stop.
Son, what did you eat? Look, I'm feeding him, bro. He don't know what he ate, but he just burped right in my mouth. Son, that ain't no good. Alright, so we're still checking out. Look, in between times we put some of our new product, right? Hunter Vision.
Hunter-vision.com/shop. I don't know.
See, check it out. It's working wonders right now. With all three of us in here, cold outside, the heat off our bodies is just. I ain't got it on this window, but you can see what we can see. That window, got it on that window. Don't have it on that window. Got it on that window. So, it's looking good. We're hoping to see something here soon.
I'm hoping to shoot something here soon.
Gosh, you're so strange. Beautiful. Beautiful. They're a long ways away right now. Yeah, the deer down at the end are still staying there. Now this one went back deep. Alright, what you think, bro? Drop that deer. Here, pick up his head. Let me see. Pick up her head. Big old girl. Good job, man. What do you think?
Pretty big doe.
Pretty big doe. Last evening of the season. What do you think, Kay? Get down there with him. Take a picture of you. All right. That's awesome. Man, what do you think, Kay?
How did
Shot
I
it.
shoot it back?
Just happens. He shot a little bit further back. I made another shot in the neck, but it's fine. Worked out good. Now we're gonna have some. What is it? What kind of meat you want?
Deer meat.
Yeah, sausage. Summer sausage. Deer's gonna taste good. All I know.
What?
The deer's gonna taste good.
Daddy,
I'm excited.
can we show mine?
Yeah. All right. Well, until next year, folks. Been a good year, huh?
Yeah, but
Good year.
yeah, are we gonna put it somewhere so we can drive it up?
Yeah, we're gonna load it up. Gonna load it up in the Kubota and get on up the hill.
Let me feel it.
Good hunt, bro.
I wanna feel
Good job, man.
That probably should have